Hey guys, it's your boy Dominion now here again, and you all are welcome back to this channel. So very quickly in this video, I just want to talk about how you can actually make money online. By completing surveys on ysense.com. Now, as I actually said it on ysense.com, please don't just rush into that platform because you wouldn't actually know how to actually go about it. And I've got some hacks for you to actually make more money for yourself on this platform to call ysense.com, which is actually a survey platform. Yes, guys. So first of all, as you can see it here, the only thing you've got to do to encourage me is by liking this video which you're watching right now, and also subscribe to this my YouTube channel. With that being said, guys, let's get into the video. And out of cool heart, you can actually share the video, and thank you very much. And with that being said, guys, let's literally get into the video on how to make money online using Ysense. This is the application here, but let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. So guys, this is the platform here loading right now, and as you can see here, this is ysense.com. Now I just want to show you guys that this platform is actually working, and let's literally log out to log in again and see. So guys, let's actually log out. So this is the sign out button, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money online. First of all, guys, if you want to actually make money online on Ysense, you need to join the partner program. Now this is the you need to join the Ysense program. Yeah, guys, so you just need to fill in your details here, and which the link is still going to be in the description box below. Check out the link to sign up, and you start making money for yourself, which you're going to be getting dollars when you use my referral link. Please, guys, just use my referral link. Yeah. So the only thing you've got to do first of all on this space is just to put in your email address, then you type in your preferred password, and that's it. Just click on this big join now button. But first of all, let me tell you guys how this platform actually works. As you can see here, it says it's an earn extra cash online. Yeah, you can actually earn extra cash online on Ysense, which is a global online community with multiple earning options, yeah, which you can actually earn through surveys, polls, and different cash outs, different earning option, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So the only thing you got to do on this platform, Ysense, is just to as you can see, ysense.com, it says paid surveys. Yeah, you just earn through paid surveys, then you cash out your offers, then you can actually still refer, and yeah, literally these are all their global partners, as you can see them all here. This is the about section, and as you can see here, they have their app on Google Play Store and on the Apple Play App Store. And with that being said, guys, let's get into my account to show you guys how this platform literally works. Let's go, guys. So as you can see here, this is one of my accounts here, which I have $1. As you can see, my name is written boldly there, Dominion. And let's go to the other account again. So I show you guys that yeah, I'm actually using these accounts. And let's click on, oh sorry, I went to the, I'm supposed to sign in instead of sign up. I'm actually at the sign up button space. So let's give it a while, guys. Please, as it's loading, actually take a minute of your time. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video if you haven't liked the video. It actually helps us, it actually motivates us to do more. Please, and please don't forget to like the video, subscribe. You can also share with your friends, and for them to get more knowledge on how to make money online using surveys, using this platform called ysense.com. This is my second account, guys, in which I have 29 cents, 29 cents, just 29 cents. And yeah, literally, let me show you guys how this platform actually works. If you come here to the first option, this is the menu button here. If you come to the first option here, which says surveys, now as you can see here, surveys is a complete surveys and you can see the history and you can see the daily poll. Now that daily poll you can also earn money from there too. But let's focus on the completing surveys to make money online. Now there are some times that there wouldn't actually be surveys to actually do on this platform, but right now there is a survey to do, and which will be making you money. So let's click on it, so I show you guys how this platform literally works and how you can make money using this survey option. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna be answering this, I'm gonna be answering all these right now, right here in this video today, so you guys can actually see for yourself. So 5 seconds I'll be able to be showing here. Okay, it's actually a fish um survey platform. So let's click on start. All right, I will click on I agree. Please select. All right, how many children do you have? And please specify the highest level of education you have completed. Um, Not really completed university something, not really completed. Please specify your ethnicity. I'm a black man. Please indicate your total household revenue. Okay, yeah, I'm the sole I have my own business. All right, so as you can see here, it says success. You've just completed the survey, and yeah, let's go back to see. As you can see here, it says I have 0.39, and that's how you keep on making money. You keep on milking money for yourself. You can make even up to $10 every day. And when you keep on answering these questions on the survey profile, you keep on getting 2 cents always. It's just I think 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, I think 9 or 10 questions, 10 questions. Always, yeah, always these questions there, which will be giving you 2 cents. But let's do it now so you can see for yourself. If you own or lease vehicle, did you buy them new or used? New, of course. Has anyone else in your household been diagnosed with any disease? Um. All right. So there's actually a poll which I'm gonna be doing. Do you suffer from any? No, none of the above. I don't. I'm not sick. Do you own a motorcycle? Yeah. Has anyone else in your household diagnosed with any disease? Nah. Stroke, tuberculosis, nope. Please wish department. I've actually influenced for telecommunication company. So how frequently do you rent or download movies for home viewing on average? At least 6 to 7 times a month. I literally love watching movies. What best describe your current household? Sure, an own apartment. Would you consider yourself to be an early adopter of new content? Yeah, I think. What kinds of video games do you play? I do play Call of Duty, yeah. Alright, so as you can see here, it says congratulations, you have earned $0.02. Yeah, and if I come here right now, as you can see, okay, it hasn't loaded. Right, reload it right now. Alright, so as you can see, it says success. As you can see, 0.4, and I can make even a whole lot of money every day. Now let's go to this daily poll to see for ourselves. It's just a 1 minute poll to actually do. So how comfortable are you with saying no to things you don't like? Very comfortable. I don't care. You get. So how comfortable surveys. All right, go now, Jira. Let's just give it a while, guys, to load up. Oh, the money has already been added to my account. All right, so as you can see here, these are offers which you can actually do for $150. Just literally sign up to the platforms, and $40, $35, $3,500, and $150, depending on the one which you can actually go for. Now let's go for these surveys again and see if there are surveys to actually do on this platform. But I've actually showed you guys how you can actually do the surveys. So yeah, literally there are always surveys to do, but I don't want this video to be that very long. So thank you very much, guys, and hope for more videos from me, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.